Hi, my name is Ayodele. I sat for my IELTS test in March 2021. While prepping for my test, I joined a WhatsApp group which was created by PrepClass NG. 2 weeks to my test, I chatted the admin up and I told him about my busy schedule and all. So he told me to try as much as possible to focus on my weak points. And a week to my test, I started reading, focusing on my weak points, and I got an overall band score of 7.5, which was not really what I was expecting, but it was okay for me because most schools I was trying to apply for, they needed a 6.0 and above. So I think it was a pass mark for me. I just want to say a big thank you to Prep Class NG.